Good morning, students. Welcome back to our grammar class. Today let us study future tenses. Lesson 12, simple future, and lesson 13, future continuous. So all of you take your grammar text. Take page number 51, lesson 12, simple future tense. Okay, shall we start? So before that, let me ask you something. What do you mean by future tense? Future tense means future. The word future tense means what? Is actions that will happen in future. Bhavi kalam. That is future tense. So simple future tense. So where can we use simple future tense? We use simple future tense for denoting an action that will take place or that takes place in the time to come. That is in future, in the future time. So we use simple future tense to denote an action that will takes place in the future. ഭാവിയിൽ നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയാനാണ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ടെൻസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, so look at these sentences. Some sentences are given in your textbook. Read these sentences. Okay, I shall complete my project this week. We shall go to see the doctor next week. My father will come back from his tour tomorrow. The birds will drink this water in the morning. So in all these sentences, we can see actions that will take place in future. Okay, that is going to happen in future. I shall complete my project this week. So he or she didn't complete his project. So he will complete his project this week. He is going to complete it this week. Then we shall go to see the doctor next week. Then tomorrow the birds will drink this water in the morning. That also indicates future. So all these sentences we can see actions will take place in the future. That is what is simple future tense. And look, in all these sentences we can see certain words. So we can use these words along with simple future tense. When we see these words, we can easily understand that the sentence is in simple future tense. All these are key words, helping words. Okay, such as tomorrow, this week, this month, next year, etc. So all these words indicates future. We can use these words along with simple future tense. We can easily identify a simple future verb tense using these keywords. So in all these sentences, in most of the sentences we can see this word. Okay, this word, and it takes place in the future. Okay. So we use simple future tense for denoting an action that will take place in the future. Okay, now there must be a particular form for this tense. Can you identify what is the form of simple future tense? Look at the first sentence. I shall complete my project this week. The words underlined here, verbs underlined here indicate simple future tense. So subject is there, then will or shall. Okay, will or shall plus what? Base form of the verb. Base form of the verb. First form of the verb. Verb in the first form ആണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. First form along with will or shall we use base form of the verb. So So look at the sentence. We shall move into our new house next week, next month. Okay. So next indicates simple future. So here we is the subject, then shall auxiliary is there, then base form of the verb move. Then Deepak will teach me how to drive a car next week. Will teach. Deepak subject. Then will is there. Then teach base form. Teach, taught. So first form. Okay. So base form, do you know the base forms of verbs like eat, ate, eaten. So here base form of the verb is eat. First form, that is base form. Okay, root form. That is the first one. V1 എന്നൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ പറയും. About root form. Then write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. So here write is the base form. So subject plus will or shall plus base form of the verb. That is the form of simple future tense. Okay. Now, forming the verb in the simple future tense. How can we form simple future tense? That is what we discussed. To form simple future tense, we use shall or will with the root or base form of the verb. So that is the form. Subject plus shall or will plus base form, base or root form of the verb. And there is some rules for the usage of will and shall. Willum shall നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം? We use what shall with I and we. Along with I, we use shall. Okay. Then with he, she, it, they, you, we use will. ഇതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ വില്ലാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഐ ഓർ വി യൂസ് ഷാൾ. ബട്ട് സംടൈംസ് വി യൂസ് വിൽ അലോങ് വിത്ത് ഐ ആൻഡ് വി. ദർ ആർ എക്സെപ്ഷൻസ് എപ്പോഴും കാണും. ബട്ട് ജനറൽ റൂൾ ഈസ് ദിസ്: വാട്ട് അലോങ് വിത്ത് ഐ ആൻഡ് വി യൂസ് ഷാൾ. വിത്ത് ഹി, ഷീ, ഇറ്റ്, യു, ദേ, വി യൂസ് വിൽ. Okay, keep this in your mind. Then look at here. I shall take my dog. We shall. I and we use shall. Okay, some examples are also given here. He will have his test in the coming week. Will along with he. We use will. Then she also will. It will. Then you will. They will. Suresh will. Mahesh and Karuna will. So with all other subjects and nouns, we use will. With I and we use shall plus base form of the verb. Okay. So shall we move on to the exercises given in your textbook? Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense form of the verbs in brackets. So some verbs are given in the bracket. We have to change this verb into simple future tense. Ramesh and Gopal dash these fruits later. Okay, Ramesh and Gopal verbo we use will. Then base form eat. So will eat. Then the plants dash die if we don't water them regularly. The plants verbo we use will. The plants will die. Died base form die. Same form die. Okay. We dash to the hills next week. We shall. We verbo shall. We shall then drive. Okay. We shall drive to the hills next week. Then Aisha will decorate. Aisha will decorate. Then the dog will bite. No other change in the verb form. The dog will bite. Then I dash understand. I shall understand. I shall understand this poem after reading it myself. So do this exercises in your textbook. Okay. Then rewrite these sentences using the simple future tense. One has been done for you. So what we have to do is rewrite these sentences. I think the sentences are in simple future and simple past, simple present and simple past tenses. We have to rewrite these sentences using simple future ലോട്ട് നമുക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, വി പ്ലേ ഇൻ ദിസ് ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഓൺ ഫ്രൈഡേ. പ്ലേ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം സിമ്പിൾ present ആണ്. ആൻഡ് വി ഷാൾ പ്ലേ, വി വന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഷാൾ ഓക്സിലറി, ദെൻ ബേസ് ഫോം ഓഫ് പ്ലേ. ഓക്കെ. Then my father goes to his office at 8 a.m. My father വരുമ്പോൾ will. Okay, goes അല്ല go. My father will go to his office. Then she practiced a lot before the performance. So she will practice. She will practice. Okay, then it rained heavily in August. It will rain in heavily in August. Okay, then I think two more questions here. I cleaned the car and water the garden on Tuesday. I along with we use shall. I shall clean the car. Then the guard maintains a register for all people who come to our building. So the guard will maintain. Okay, the guard will maintain is the answer. Okay, then fill in the blanks with simple future tense form of the verbs in brackets and complete the story. So a story is given here and some verbs are given in the brackets. So we have to fill all the blanks using simple future tense. ആ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള വേർബിനെ സിമ്പിൾ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ടെൻസിലോട്ട് ട്രാൻസ്ഫോം ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി സിമ്പിൾ. സോ ദിസ് സാറ്റർഡേ അവർ സ്കൂൾ ടീം bracket verb play. So our school team will play a cricket match with the neighboring school's team. From our class, Mohan, Sandeep and Harish will bat. Bat is there, so add will and write bat. Will bat. Okay, then it will be an exciting match. So here it will be form. So it will be. Okay, it will be an exciting match and all of us shall. So as shall vanna endondana shall, as is here, us as we the object and as third form of we is as. So we shall go, will also write we shall go to see it and dash and dash cheer for our team and will cheer. Okay, will cheer. Then Mohan's parents will reach the stadium and with Sandeep's parents, then they will sit in the main stall and will see, ഞാൻ ആൻസർ എഴുതുന്നില്ല, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറഞ്ഞ് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ മതി. Will see the match from there. Harish's parents will sit with us. All of them will be proud of their children. Here will be എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ബേസ് ഫോം തന്നെയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, വിൽ ബി പ്രൗഡ് ഓഫ് ദെയർ ചിൽഡ്രൻസ് അച്ചീവ്മെൻറ്റ്സ്. The principal dash reward the team. The principal will reward the team if we win. He dash give individual prizes. He will give individual prizes to the players who will be in the first batsman, bowler and fielder categories. All of us as verumbo shall pray. Here shall pray. Okay, no space, enough space, that is why I couldn't write. All of us shall pray that our team wins the match. Okay, then it will be a glorious and proud moment for our school. So it will be, last will be. Okay, here in two places we get shall. What shall here, then all of us here also shall. So do all these exercises correctly, write it correctly in your textbook, grammar text. Okay, don't make any mistake. So here you will have the answer key. So make use of this answer key for completing all the exercises in the textbook. So write it very carefully. Don't make any mistake. Okay. So we have completed simple future tense. Simple future tense is used for denoting an action that will take place in the future. And the form of simple future tense, subject plus what will or shall plus base form of the verb or root form of the verb. Okay. Now shall we move on to second lesson, that is 13th lesson, future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous tense. So we use future continuous tense for denoting an action that is going on in the future. That is going on in the future. Okay, going on sometime in the future. Future continuous tense for actions that will be occurring or going on sometime in the future. ഭാവിയിൽ കുറച്ചു കാലം നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്ന actions, future continuous actions. We use future continuous action. So some examples are given here. What I shall be going to Mumbai. We shall be leaving for the airport. He will be going to Nainital. She will be visiting. It will be shining. You will be doing. They will be learning. Robin will be playing. Pyle and John will be teaching. So from these sentences you can understand the form of future continuous tense. Subject is there, will or shall is there, then be is there, then ing form of the verb. Okay, so for denoting an action that is going on sometime in the future, occurring or going on sometime in the future. Future continuous tense. Okay, so let us see its form. How to form? Form the verb in the future continuous tense. So subject plus shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Along with I, we use what shall. ബാക്കി എല്ലാത്തിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ then will, then be plus ing form. That is the form of future continuous tense. Okay, so let us do exercises. So fill in the blanks with future continuous tense form of the verbs in brackets. So verbs are given in brackets. We have to change its simple future continuous form. Okay, then they dash to a new area as soon as there is no water here. So here the verb move is given here. They വരുമ്പോൾ we use will, then be is there, then moving plus ing form of the verb ആണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് future continuous. So moving, they will be moving. Okay, then my sister dash embroider this tablecloth for my grandmother. My sister will. Okay, then be is there, then embroider plus ing, embroidering. Okay, embroidering, ing form of the verb. So my sister will be embroidering this tablecloth for my grandmother. Okay, then he dash grow colorful flowers in his garden. He വരുമ്പോൾ we use will. He will be growing, GRO, grow plus ing, then growing. He will be growing colorful flowers in his garden. Okay, we dash keep a track on his activities. Bracket verb keep. So we, along with we use shall. So we shall be. Then keep plus ing, keeping. We shall be keeping a track on his activities. Then the sun dash overhead at noon. The sun will be shining. Shine plus ing, shining. The sun will be shining overhead at noon. Then okay, it dash cold in the Alps during the winter. It will be freezing. Will be freeze plus ing, freezing. Okay, it will be freezing cold in the Alps during the winter. Then next exercise, rewrite these sentences using the future continuous tense. One has been done for you. So what we have to do is rewrite the whole sentence using future continuous tense. Simple past simple past and simple present tenses are given here. We have to change simple past and simple present into future continuous tense. Okay. My brother ate porridge for breakfast. Ate is simple past tense. So my brother will be eating. Ate and eat. Ate, eaten. നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് ബേസ് ഫോം പ്ലസ് ing ആണ്. സോ ഈറ്റിംഗ് porridge for breakfast. Okay. Then the shopkeeper gave the child some cookies to munch. So shopkeeper will, ഞാൻ ആൻസർ മാത്രമേ എഴുതുന്നുള്ളൂ, ഫുൾ സെൻറ്റൻസ് എഴുതുന്നില്ല. ദർ ഇസ് നോ സ്പേസ് ഫോർ മീ ടു റൈറ്റ് ഓൾ ദി ഫുൾ സെൻറ്റൻസ് ഹിയർ. ഓക്കെ, ദ ഷോപ്പ് കീപ്പർ വിൽ ബി ഗിവിങ്. ഗേവ് അല്ല, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം ഗിവ്, ദെൻ ഗിവ് പ്ലസ് ing, ഗിവിങ്. ദ ഷോപ്പ് കീപ്പർ വിൽ ബി ഗിവിങ് ദ ചൈൽഡ് സം കുക്കീസ് ടു മഞ്ച്. Okay. Then third one, my mother scolds me for my carelessness. So my mother will be, then scold plus ing. My mother will be scolding me for my carelessness. Okay, the driver drove the car at a high speed. The driver will be driving. Drove, first form drive plus ing, driving. The driver will be driving the car at high speed. Okay, Megha cut the vegetables. Megha will be cutting. Cutting, cutting. Okay, will be cutting the vegetables. The pup jumped up to grab the piece of bread. The pup will be jumping. Jump, jump plus ing, jumping. The pup will be jumping up to grab the piece of bread. Okay, so write these answers in your textbook. Now complete these sentences to say what your family members will be doing on Sunday morning. Use future continuous tense. So here we have to use future continuous tense, that is will or shall plus be plus verb plus ing form use ചെയ്ത് we have to construct sentences. What you can construct your own sentences, what your family members will do on Sunday morning. Okay, I'll give you some examples. My mother will be making breakfast for all of us. My father will be what, reading newspaper, etc. Okay, my father will be reading newspaper. So we got future continuous tense, will be reading. Then my brother will be playing cricket. Okay, my brother will be playing cricket or football. Then my sister will be watching television. My sister will be watching television. Will be watching. So answer right. Then second one, I will be studying. I will be studying, or I will be writing my notes, or I will be studying my lessons, etc. Okay, then my grandmother എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത് on Sunday morning? Grandmother will be reading her books or chanting mantras, etc. Reading her books. Okay, my grandmother will be reading her books, or my grandmother will be helping my mother, etc. Okay, you can write what your family members will do on Sunday morning. Okay, so I'll attach the answer key here. So you can make use of this answer key for completing all the exercises given in your textbook. So write carefully, don't make any mistake. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.